Happy morning, friends, and good wishes to my students. Today, I would like to advise my students. Dear students, you should drop 10 things immediately in order to build up your career, in order to come up in the life, in order to derive pleasure and joy in the life. You must immediately get rid of 10 things which I am going to discuss. The first one is drop negative people around you. No, there are different categories, people of different categories, what I mean to say. Some people always think in a positive way. So, do friendship with them. They will encourage you, they will support you. But there are certain people who always find faults in others, who always think negatively, who always suspects, who always have a fear of failure, who always have self-doubts, and so those are known as negative people. People with a negative attitude, people with a negative thinking. My dear young students, please get rid of them. So when you are around them, you can't get progress in your career. So, for example, when you get less marks in one particular weekend examination, they start telling, so you are like this only and like that. So, always get rid of people with a negative attitude, people who always think negative manner. So, the next one is, my dear young children, drop trying to please everyone. There is no use of it all. So, but there is a saying, no one is perfect. So there are good people. So there are people who always do right things, but sometimes they make a mistake. Doesn't matter. So what I advise you, when there is a point you can appreciate, when there is a need to appreciate. When somebody achieves great things, appreciate. But always don't please everyone in every occasion. So don't try to please everyone on all occasions. And when there is a need and when there is an appropriate occasion to be praised, then praise. Then another important thing, drop caring about your past mistakes. You can't change the mistake which you have already done. Why do you think vigorously? Why do you think about past mistakes? Drop it. Then you have made some mistake in the past. Okay, you can't change those mistakes now. You can't make it right now. Whatever happened is happened. It is already done. And why do you care about the past mistakes? Why do you care about the mistakes you have done? And try to learn from them and not to repeat it, that's all. But don't think too much about the past mistakes and don't care about the mistakes which you have done previously. And drop saying yes at all the times. So if somebody says irrelevantly, don't say yes. So whenever there is a need, whenever you are supposed to say yes, say yes. But for each and everything, if somebody says something, don't say yes. Avoid yes attitude. If you genuinely have to say yes, say, that's all. Now, drop your limiting beliefs. You have unlimited power of thinking. You have potential energy. You can do wonders. You can do miracles. So drop your limited beliefs. Drop an idea that you can't do beyond this limit. You can. Such a potential energy you have. And drop your fast. So what is the use of thinking too much about fast? And if there are cherishable memories in the past, recollect them, joy, enjoy. That's all. But in a similar way, drop worrying about future. So drop an idea that COVID-19 may come to you like that. What is the use of worrying about future? So drop worrying about future, drop about thinking about the past, and very importantly, drop your self-portrait image. So there are people who always boost themselves. If you have done wonderful thing, I must boost you, I must appreciate you, others must appreciate you, not by yourself. Drop boosting yourself, and so drop of saying this is right, that is right, like that. Speak from your mind. Share your feelings. And when somebody has done wonderful thing, oh, you did wonderful thing, that's okay. But you appreciate them from your mind. Drop simply saying yes. But they must feel that you are speaking from your mind. Then finally, drop feeling sorry for yourself. And see, if you make a mistake, that's okay. But we're all human beings. We do mistakes, that's all. But saying sorry to yourself many times doesn't help you. Drop that saying sorry to yourself many times. So by dropping all these things which I have discussed, you can build up your career. Wishing you all success. God bless you. Shubham Bhoyat.